In this video, I'm going to do a PCGS reveal. 2 months ago, I sent a group of US mint, proof, and uncirculated coins to PCGS, and I'll see what grades they come back with. All the coins look flawless, but as every collector knows, one tiny mark can make a difference between the top population grade and the lower grade. I've sent a mix of 2024 and 2025 reverse proof issues straight from the mint packaging, and several 2021 uncirculated peace dollars. When these are slabbed, the grade becomes a huge part of the coin's value and collectability.
Okay. All right.
Okay, remove the tape off. Let's see what this reveals. So it looks like PCGS returned the coin holders. All right, let's take a look at the reveal. Okay, there's a good start, a Proof 70. Another Proof 70. Okay, great, another Proof 70. There's a Proof 69. One of the biggest questions with modern dollars is whether they can hit those elite grades like Proof 70 or MS70. A perfect 70 can sometimes turn an inexpensive coin into something collectors aggressively chase. But getting that grade is never guaranteed, even directly from mint packaging. So grading from PCGS can help protect the coin's long-term and sealed holders while making it easier to buy, sell, and trade in the future. Another Proof 70. Another Proof 70. Another Proof 70. Overall, I'm pretty happy with these results. Getting a top grade modern dollar is never easy because PCGS can be extremely strict with the tiny imperfections. Okay, there's the 2021 peace dollars. That was the 100th anniversary. And there you have it. Overall, I'm really happy with this submission. Part of the excitement of coin grading is every submission is a gamble, and you never completely know what's going to happen until the results are in. Okay, let's summarize the final results. For the 2024S reverse proof Morgans, we have a total of 3 Proof 70s and 1 Proof 69. For the 2024S reverse proof peace dollars, we have 2 Proof 70s and 2 Proof 69s. Not too good of a turnout there. For the 2025S reverse proof Morgans, we had 3 Proof 70s and 1 Proof 69. And the 2025S proofs reverse proof peace dollars, all 4 were Proof 70s. That was a very good success. And with the 2021 100th anniversary peace dollars, 2 came back MS70 and 1 came back MS69. If you'd like to see more coin collecting content, make sure you like and subscribe.